Mosquitoes can be a rather annoying pest when trying to enjoy a nice warm evening outside. Not to mention that some even carry serious diseases like dengue or Zika. BioGent's mosquito traps help protect you from bothersome mosquitoes, especially tiger mosquitoes, in an environmentally friendly way without using insecticides or killing beneficial insects. The trap attracts the mosquitoes through black and white contrasts, which act as visual cues, as well as human body emissions. To the mosquito, the trap looks just like a human being. The attracted mosquitoes are then sucked into the trap, caught in the catch bag, and dehydrate. Place the trap near the mosquito resting areas and breeding places. In this way, the trap will catch the mosquitoes before they reach the patio and annoy you. Scientific studies show a decrease in mosquito bites outdoors by up to 85% when the traps are correctly positioned and continuously run throughout the season. They are proven to be the best traps on the market. Decrease the mosquito population with BioGent's mosquito traps and enjoy the outdoors again.